This is Monisha. Today's topic is about unification. Unification is a process of making two different logical atomic expressions identical by substitution method. Generally, this unification depends on the substitution process. Let us consider you can take a two literal as an input and make them identical by using any substitution process. For example, here you can take psi1 and psi2 as a two different sentences and make sigma as a unifier. Now, this can be expressed as unifier of psi1 and psi2 such that psi1 of sigma is equal to psi2 of sigma. Like this, you can unify any expressions into an identical one. There are some conditions for unification. The predicate symbols in the expressions must be same. If the predicate symbol is different, we can't be unified that. Also, the number of arguments in both the expressions must be identical. If you have two expressions, one in left hand side and one is right hand side, if you have two arguments in left hand side, you are supposed to have only two arguments in the right hand side. Then only you can able to unify that. If you have three arguments in right hand side, the unification is not possible for that expressions. Also, this unification will fail if there are two similar variables present in the same expression. For example, if expression 1 has the argument of phi twice, or in expression 2 the argument of phi twice, we can't unify that. The unification can fail since there are two similar variables present in the same expressions. Now let us implement this unification algorithm. It has two steps. In the initial step, that is step 1, you are supposed to initialize the substitution set. It means we have to make the substitution sets to be empty. Once the substitution set has been initialized, we can perform unifying recursively. We have to identify and check whether the identical expressions or not. If identical expression matches, you can discard over there. If both are not identical expressions, you are supposed to make them identical. For example, in one expression you have a variable of vi and in other expression you have a variable of ti. So we can apply substitution. For example, if the substitution is already existing, you can use ti by vi to the existing substitution set. If not, you can add ti by vi to the substitution set list. If both the expressions are functions, then the function name must be similar in order to do this unification, and the number of arguments must be same in both the expressions. These are the conditions to implement the unification algorithm. In this exercise, we have four different statements that might be in the knowledge base. In the first statement, it's mentioned as unify of nose, John, X, nose, John, Jan. We have to do a first step. We have to compare the predicate names and the aritaries. Here, both the nose has two arguments. So, the arguments are matching. We can move further. We are comparing the first argument. John matches to John. So, no changes on that. In next step, we are comparing the second argument, X and Jan. So, since these two are different, we are substitute X is equal to Jan. So, in step 2, in the previous slide in implementation of unification, we have seen that we have to mention as X by Jan to the substitution set. We have already initialized the substitution set. There is nothing in the substitution set. Now we are adding X by Jan to the substitution set. With the substitution of X by Jan, the unification is possible for this sentence. The second example or the second sentence shows you as unify nose, John, X, nose, Y, Bill. We are comparing the predicate names and nose with two arguments, so they can match. We can move further to the second step. We are comparing the first argument, John to Y. Both are different arguments, so we can apply the substitution. So y is equal to John. Then in second statement, we are comparing second arguments x and Bill. We can substitute x is equal to Bill. Initially our substitution set is empty. We have already assigned y is equal to John. So it has been entered as a first set list in the substitution set. Then the substitution of y by John, then x by Bill. If you add y by John, then x by Bill, it performs a value substitution. If you add the x by Bill before, the unification fails. Since the substitution set is empty, we have to add step-by-step unification. The unification is possible for this sentence with the substitution of y by John and the x by Bill. The third sentence shows the unify of knows John comma x knows y comma mother of y. As a first step, these both two expressions have two arguments. Since it's matches, we are comparing to the first and second arguments. In first, we compare with John to y. So substitute y is equal to John. In second arguments, we are comparing x to mother of y. We are substituting x equal to mother of John. Since already y has been assigned to John, for y we are mentioning as John. Now x is equal to the value of John by mother of John. So in substitution set, it has been initially empty already. Now we are adding y by John as a first set list. Now after y by John, we are supposed to add x by mother of John in this set list. The unification of this sentence is possible only if the substitution for 1 by John comma x by mother of John. The last statement in this unification example is unifying knows of John comma x knows of x comma Elizabeth. As we know, the predicate names are same. Also the knows with two arguments. As the two expression has the two arguments, they two matches. We can move to the next step by comparing the first argument, like x John is equal to x. So we can substitute x is equal to John. Then we can compare the second arguments. Now x is equal to Elizabeth. Since we already assigned x is equal to John, we can't assign x is equal to Elizabeth. We have a conflict over there. Since we have the two same variables in different arguments, in different expressions, since the conflict arises over here, John is not Elizabeth. Once the conflict has been arises, the substitution fails, even the unification fails. The unification fails for this sentence due to the conflicting substitutions. Once the conflict issue arises, the substitution will also fail. Thank you. Let us see in the next class.